Can one relocate if they have sole custody, take their child out of state? Well, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Can you relocate with the child just because you have custody? Well, that's a loaded question. What do you mean custody? Legal custody and physical custody, or maybe just legal custody, or maybe just physical custody? Well, the answer is going to depend on what you have and how you do it. Let's say in most situations, this is common, one person has full custody, but the parties share legal custody. In that case, yes, you can relocate out of state with the child, provided the court gives you permission to do so. And that's going to require you to file a motion to change the legal residence of the child. And the court may very well conduct a hearing, and there may be objection. And as a result of that hearing, the court might grant you that permission or might not. It's just going to depend on what comes out at the hearing and whether the court feels that it's in the best interest of the child to pick up and, move to Arkansas. Now, what if you already have physical custody and legal custody? Well, why would that make a difference? Simple. Legal custody, and you have full legal custody, you don't need anybody's permission to make major decisions regarding the child. So does that mean you can just pick up and leave? Well, again, you might well be able to leave, but you still have to file a motion. You still have to ask the court permission to relocate and change the legal residence of the child. Now, is it likely that the court will grant that in that situation where you are already making all the decisions? Yes, it's almost a pro forma thing. The court probably will grant it, provided you can make a basic showing that this is in everybody's best interest, including, and more specifically, the child. The other side doesn't really have a right to come in and complain it's not in the best interest of the child, because there's already a situation where you are making all the call regarding what's in the child's best interest in terms of custody, medical, legal, anything that has to do with religion, schooling, doctor's appointment. You're calling all the shots because you got the legal custody. But remember one thing, even if the court grants that permission, and even if it is pro forma, because the court says, okay, I appreciate your asking, granted. No hearing, no nothing. You're still going to have to work out parenting time. Even though you have the full custody, you may have alternating holidays, alternating weekends, time during the week. And when you pick up and leave, you're still obligated to participate in the parenting time schedule. And granted, it might be modified because now the child is gone, but expect that you're going to have to give up maybe the summers or maybe a lot of the vacation time. You may have to pay for the transportation of the child to come back to do it too, because you're the one who's leaving. It's on you. So these are issues that are going to have to be flushed out. But in terms of can you relocate with the child, you can, provided you follow the appropriate rules for that procedure. If you have any questions about your case, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.